Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the FocusFoto Smartphone Video Rig, an essential tool for mobile filmmakers. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or just love shooting high-quality videos, this setup could be a game changer. Stay tuned as we explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. The FocusFoto Video Rig is a complete smartphone filmmaking kit that enhances video and audio quality. It includes a sturdy camera cage with dual hand grips, a BOYA by-MM1 shotgun microphone, and a 49 LED video light. The rig is adjustable to fit smartphones between 4 to 7 inches and is compatible with tripods, sliders, and dollies. It's a versatile setup designed for both professionals and beginners looking to improve their video production. This rig is built for stability and ease of use. The dual-hand grip provides a secure hold, minimizing shaky footage. 2 standard shoe mounts allow quick attachment of the LED light and microphone. The BOYA by-MM1 microphone delivers clear, crisp audio without requiring batteries. The LED light offers 800 lumens of brightness with a 6,000 Kelvin color temperature, improving visibility in low-light environments. In real-world use, the rig delivers excellent stability, making handheld shots smoother. The microphone captures high-quality directional sound, reducing unwanted background noise. The LED light dramatically enhances video clarity, especially in dim settings. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use for long shooting sessions. Whether you're filming indoors or outdoors, this rig provides a professional-grade experience. So, is the FocusFoto Video Rig worth it? Definitely. It offers professional-level stabilization, lighting, and audio, all in a compact and affordable package. If you're serious about mobile filmmaking, this setup is a fantastic investment. Check the link in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.